Skip is right over there with those 4 soldier guys. See here to the right? That's where Skip and Renell's plot is.
Okay.
But there is a car over there.
Yeah.
And there is people.
Oh.
Oh, not over there though.
Yes. Look.
Well, there are 2 people to the left, Nikki. See them outside of the
There
car?
actually are 2 people over there. Okay.
That's
there's
good.
nobody over there. There's a big mound.
That's a fresh one.
Look, there are 2 of them walking around.
That one is fresh, jeez.
They got flowers on it.
Yeah, no, that's
They
weird.
They must have just buried them. But
would
would they really mound it up like that?
No.
Yes, they'll mound it up like that.
No, they don't.
Because if it rains, yes, sir, they'll pound it back down.
Okay.
Because of the coffin itself.
When it collapses, what? Oh, did it? Okay, here's the people. The real people. Let's see if we can get them on the camera. Yeah.
Okay. There was a person right out there.
So, okay, the center of
There's
this.
a person.
The center of this is
Oh,
the big.
it might be that statue.
It's a big oval in the center, and then there's like 3 streets that break off and do a little circle, okay? So like literally this is a big oval in the center. There's people over.
There's one there. There's one there. Wow, there's one there. 4. Oh! Look at all of them.
This cemetery is really old. Take a right.
All the people are 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know, but we're gonna come back that way.
Whoa! There was one right in front of us. You hit it.
Really, I didn't see that. He's in the car.
Don't say that.
Okay, people, what did we expect?
Oh, he's coming right at us. Oh, thank you. You left.
What'd you guys do today? Oh, nothing.
Am I going to turn or go straight?
Oh, shit. If you turn, you're going to get back to... I don't know. I'd say
I'm just gonna
turn,
go-
but let's do the
No,
oval
I'm
first.
going to, yeah.
Okay, do the oval because all the people are in the center.
Here comes somebody. Oh. Oh, 2.
Go back to the guy you ran over.
See if he's in the middle of the road. I don't know, but I tell you what, if he gets much closer and then you see a big face, I am freaking the fuck out.
Mom.
Rawr. Oh,
He is walking.
oh, there's 2 of them.
Mom. There is nobody over there, people.
There's another one. Look, they're coming right down.
horse?
Yeah, it shows an animal. Well, this is the soldier one. There's like tons of soldiers buried in here. That is a horse.
He was coming towards us and then he went away.
Because where Skip is, right there beside, directly to the left.
That
that's
is a
Nikki,
horse,
is
that
where
one.
Skip is, are the dead 4 soldiers, and it means something. I forget what it means.
Oh, here they come. Here they come.
All right, let's not do the spooky sounds. Mom, we want him to be close to the car.
So we can
Haunted roads.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Oh, this is the top of the circle, or yeah. So we can take this circle, because that just goes out.
Here comes somebody.
You know, you can do that circle right there in the mausoleum, or whatever it is. It's a circle road. It's real quick. See how many people are trying to get out of there.
No, honey, they're dying to get in.
Oh, that's what it is.
Then they want to get out. There goes one.
That's a
oh,
horse.
that's a horse. Oh, there's 4. Oh!
Mom! Oh, Nikki, what is that?
Dang, 5 of them up there.
Near that big arch thing. Let's go say hi.
Oh my God, look at them all.
We have to take it to the right, and then we'll go around the circle again, and then stop in the center where the arch is. Oh, here he comes. Alright, people, there's nobody. Alright, run him over, Nikki. You're gonna make me pee.
Oh my gosh.
We should have stopped.
I ain't stopping now.
No, I said to pee.
You stop, I offered, but nobody took me up on.
Alright, the horse was cool.
Yeah.
Seeing the congregation of 12 people is interesting. That is the car with a person. Oh, there was one to the left and to the right. Here's the center. That car's leaving.
Now the people come out. Oh shit.
Mom. That would have been nice.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Now there's, oh.
Alright, so it is by the little cross street here. I guess.
Is that where you ran over him?
Yeah. When we first got here.
Oh, look, he's coming.
They are
No,
walking.
he stopped. I mean, he just.
Oh, this is a fresh grave right here beside us.
You better go get your gas or your electric or whatever.
We're gonna waste it all here and break down in the cemetery.
Okay, that's probably that statue.
Go around one more time.
Why didn't I bring the tea with me?
Where's Steve?
Oh, here come some people. Some ghostesses.
There. But they're all on Mom's side now. That made it look like it's walking.
I don't know. Yeah, but it's seeing movement, I would think. I could put palm trees. Oh.
Palm trees thinks it's a horse.
There's a bird over there.
There was lots of birds of the other one. It didn't show any bird.
Yeah, I haven't seen it show a bird, but
Maybe if it was a big bird.
oh yeah, I wonder if the tall sand cranes,
Yeah.
if they will show up if they're near the car. Oh, there's the one Mary up there. That might be the one that's staying.
There was horses in this corner. Huh?
Anything on here?
Yeah, you can go to the maintenance thing and then turn around. Yes, the funeral home.
There's somebody.
Come closer. We're friendly. Does the parrot say, "Come here. It won't hurt you."
I won't hurt you.
I won't hurt you.
Who says that?
I didn't
This
send
big
you that
parrot.
video.
This big
It's a
parrot.
parrot that's loose from its cage, and she goes, "No, I love you, but I don't want to come near you. You're mean." And he goes, "I'm not gonna hurt you. Come here, cousin. Come here. Come here."
I won't hurt you. Come here.
No, I won't hurt you.
Well, he did that like the second or third time, not the first time.
All right, we
Come
went.
here.
We went right, and it was crazy. I don't know which way you want to go.
All right, look, they're crazy now. 4.
To go left.
Oh, you want to go left?
That's where they all are.
Oh, yeah, they're on mom's side.
They've been on your side. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
What does it mean when they're super black?
They were probably black, Shauna. That's not
Huh.
nice. Or no, they were real white because be the contrast, right?
She looked away. Mom, there was one right beside us. It was like just to the front. Now it'd be right beside you, technically. Oh, here it comes. Oh, that was right there. See, this is the animal. Look at all of them.
The animal turned into a man, and that's a big man. He's on my side.
It made you look like a big man when you got out.
There's a couple up there.
Here he comes. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Yeah.
Oh, he's walking with his doggy. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Do it out your window, Mom. He's over there.
Aw.
All right, I'd say take this and go all the way around.
Take what?
This forward and then go right, because I think it circles back. And that's where we saw somebody congregating in that corner. Remember?
What do you mean? Just go
No,
that
take this left. Ooh. Here they come.
I would say it's the flowers, but
It's
they're
not.
walking, yeah.
But what about flowers? Looks like a man.
I know.
Exactly.
But you know, stature.
It's a little too short to be.
Yep, there's one.
I missed it.
back at the entrance. So what are we gonna do?
Yeah, head out. Well, that was fun.
Yes.
This one's way better than the other one.
Well, this one's older. You don't want to go say bye?
Bye.
We didn't go forward on this road to go back up. that
Goodbye. Goodbye. Go, Nikki.
hill. There's a garbage can. Look, it showed it.
Yeah.
Let's see who's trying to escape. Ooh.
Somebody just left. Bye.
So cute.
Oh yeah, he wouldn't have been behind us, huh? All right. That was very interesting. Thank
Ready to
you,
go play on a
Shauna.
Ouija board now?
No,
I got the tarot deck.
Oh, there we go.
you do not.
Yes, I do.
I haven't.
No, Dana gave me hers. Cody.
Oh, Cody gave you one of hers.